to show you how to do assignment 2 for your Excel for this week. So first of all, you want to figure out your totals for your first quarter, your second quarter, your third quarter, and your fourth quarter. So in order to figure out the total in this box, you'd go up to the very top, hit equals, and then you do sum, and then we're going to do it. This right here is your first one would be B5 to E5, and then you're going to hit enter. Now make sure that you include only, if you put it on a different line, just say you started up on a different line, that you look on the line it's at. See, it's how it's on the 5s. So then you go to the next box and you hit equals sum, and it is B6 to E6. And then you do the next number. I don't know why this one didn't show up bigger, so let's just make that bigger. And on the next line, you hit that, and you hit equals sum, B7 to E7. And then the next line would be equals sum, B8 to E8. And then hit enter. So now you got your totals there. Now it wants the totals for each line. So what you're going to do is click on this line. Well, actually, this is the easiest way. Click here on the top line, drag it down, okay, make sure the numbers don't change, and make sure it just hovers in the last box. Then go up to your formulas and just hit auto sum. Go on this line, auto sum. Go on this line, down to that box, auto sum. This line, auto sum. And this line, auto sum. A lot of the students in the class are giving me, oops, sorry. Let me go back on that one. So click it to go back. You hit this, get out of there. I don't think you need to auto sum the last one, so don't do that one. Oh, maybe. You know what? Go up here and hit equals sum. It would be F5 to F9 circles, and then there's the number for the total. So yeah, do that one. A lot of students are giving me, and all the numbers right here are the same, and that's incorrect. They should all be different. So now you're going to need an average for your first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Do not include your total line because you don't need to. So on the average on this line, go up here, hit the FX symbol, go to average. Okay, then double click it to begin. And it's going to give you between B5 and B9. See, it's going to include that total line. You don't want to include that total line. So get over here and make it to B8. And then just hit enter. And then there's your number. So you're going to go to the next line, hit average. And then to C8. And then hit enter. And then you can get out of this chart. Go to the next one, hit the FX line. Use the average. Go to D8. Hit enter. You can get out of this. Go to the next line. You want to hit FX, average. You want to make it go to the 8 box, or whatever box goes from whatever your first, second, and third, and fourth quarter are in. Do not include your total line. So you hit enter again. Go over here. Get your last line. Your totals of, maybe you want your average of your entire total of it. So hit FX. Get your average again. And then it's going to go to F8. And then you're going to hit enter. Okay, so we got that. So now you're going to go over to your highest. Your highest symbol is hitting FX, and you're going to go to max. Okay, so now your max is between your first quarter and your fourth quarter only. Do not include, again, do not include your total and your average because those are different numbers. So you're going to go back to the 8, and then you're going to click that. So then you go to your next line. So you want a max. And then you want it to go to C to the 8 line, C5 to C8 to get your max. And it's going to go all the way across like that. I'm not going to do every single one, but that's what it's going to be like on that. On your lowest, you're going to hit FX, get in that box, hit FX, go to minimum, M-I-N. Then you want to go all the way to your fourth quarter, which is the fourth quarter one, all the way to that one. So that would be B8. So to B8, and then you hit enter. And then for your next lowest, you're going to hit minimum again, go to C8, hit enter, and then you're going to go all the way across. You're going to do all your highest, all your lowest, and you're going to get everything like that. And that's how you do this assignment. So just make sure you watch the video and you should have no problem with it. Just make sure your numbers match the one that's on your assignment on Unit 10. This is just an example.